Those that follow your path, you render them childless, their lineage extinct. This path is agonizingly difficult. So many people complain about this. Our pride and riches are plundered, even our underwear is not spared. Says Tukka, the thief who has looted me stands brazenly before me with his hands on his hips. येणे मागे आले त्याचे निसंतान केले. ऐसी अवघड वाट ऐकून आलो मी बोभाट. नागविल्या थाटी उरे नेदीच लंगोटी. तुका म्हणे चोर तो हा उभा कटी कर. तुका म्हणे चोर तो हा उभा कटी कर.